suffering, children hurt and end up crying. Can you help us to solve this so we can back to reality? Mother Hero, help us, send us guidance from above. These people believe in that you are my God. You are my God. You are my God. These people believe in Hero, my God.
In the world, hey, people living like they ain't got no faith. I think our own world influences all the harm to convince the breathless. Every day we encounter different struggles that sometimes lead us to suffer. But we still have them to encourage us to be strong and not to give up. But if you only have faith for your own sake, and if you only got love for your own race,
For those who suffer from exterminate, too weak to fight to revenge the hate. Giving up but to demonstrate that's exactly how suffer works and operate. If you only give love just to set it straight, and you only give faith, God is willing to wait. People live in, people suffer.